Hi, everybody. It's Eric Tonesmeyer. I have a course coming up on plantings for beneficial birds and insects that I wanted to tell you about. It's some really exciting stuff. This is not just about attracting pollinators, which is great, but also very importantly, the birds and insects that can provide pest control in your garden or on your farm or in your landscape. So I've been learning about this for some 35 years now, but there's so much new science, new books. I'm learning really exciting things getting ready for the class. There's a lot um, of new things being learned all the time. So we now know particular flowers that are best to provide seeds for birds, particular plants that have hollow stalks for wasps to lay their eggs in and survive the winter in, particular plants for bird nesting materials, plants with special value to important insect-eating birds that almost never eat plants but eat one or two species of plants. A few cultivars of native wildflowers that are actually more attractive to pollinators than the wild species. Usually, it's the opposite. Um, um, and on the other hand, not just things that are good at one specific function, but plants that are especially good at providing multiple functions for beneficial birds and insects, like elderberry, which is valuable for pollinating bees and beneficial insects. It's a host to many species of caterpillars, which grow up and become pollinators, but also themselves are food that bring in the beneficial organisms. Um, they have hollow stems, which we've talked about the value of. They're good hummingbird nectar. Hummingbirds are great for eating pests, not just, they don't just drink nectar. The fruit of elderberries is eaten by 120 species of birds here in the East. It's also host to aphids and other insects that bring in those beneficial organisms, and then from there they'll head out and eat other things in your landscape. And it provides important cover and nesting for birds. That's just one species. So we'll be looking at a lot of these super species that can serve as kind of the neighborhood pub for all different kinds of beneficial birds and organisms. We'll learn all that, and we'll also do a really cool planting project to really ground the learning in the literal dirt. This will be April 26th from 9 to 3 p.m. at my farm in Southampton, Massachusetts. You can look in the comments for the link to register and learn more. Hope to see you there.